Welcome back again. Today we will explain what a Python script is. Have you ever wondered what happens whenever you exit a Python interpreter and enter it again? Things like the definitions you had initially made, for example functions and variables, get lost and cannot be found again. You can solve this by writing a program using a code editor to prepare the input for the interpreter and run it with that file as input instead. This is what is known as creating a script. And as your program gets longer while you continue coding, you may want to split the program into several files for easier maintenance. Python has a way of putting all its defined definitions into a file, and gets to use them in a script, or in an interactive instance of the interpreter. Such a file is called a module. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the name suffix .py appended. By suffix it means you can write any name to name your script, for instance app.py. And inside a module, the module's name as a string is available as the value of the global variable _name_. Hash Fibonacci numbers module. Definition Fibonacci in close brackets, n, this means hash to write a Fibonacci series up to the value of n. A, b equals 0, 1. While a is less than value n. Print a, end equals quotation marks. A, b equals b, a plus b. Print. Definition Fibonacci 2 in close brackets, n, this is meant to hash return Fibonacci series up to the value of n. Result equals close square brackets. A, b equals 0, 1. While a is less than the value n. Result. Append a. A, b equals b, a plus b. Return result. Now let us try and enter the below Python interpreter and import the Fibo module with the following command. Fibo is just one of the many Python language modules. And thus by just using the module Fibo you can access the function you had already defined in the script. And that is how you write a script which will be easier to find anytime. Congratulations for creating your first Python script using Fibo module. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe.